Amanda Knox-Eccleston was NatWest country head for Gibraltar in 2017 when she says she was first made aware of some of the allegations against Gillian Balban. Ms Balban is accused of instructing cashiers to cover up a £2 million deficit in the accounts of the Coral Road branch of NatWest and of taking out €600,000 in cash with fraudulent debit notes. It's alleged she would also take out euros from the Linewall branch, accumulating up to €18,000 debt there. Ms Knox-Eccleston also spoke of other serious allegations which she communicated to her superiors. In evidence, she said one employee at Coral Road reportedly stole money from the father of one of the cashiers. When this was reported to Gillian Balban, Ms Balban allowed the cashier to work half days from then on for full-time pay in return for keeping the issue between them. She was told there was also another employee working half days while on full-time pay. Multiple disciplinary proceedings were initiated by NatWest for various alleged breaches related to Ms Balban, including facilitating theft. 5 of the 6 employees accused of this resigned before the proceedings took place. Other cashiers echoed what the court has heard various times already over the past 4 weeks. Sasha Montovio and Jasmine Ramirez referred to a transfer allegedly made on Ms Balban's behalf for £190,000 through an account which they say was only ever used for paying fees on large transfers, usually hundreds or perhaps £1,000, never £190,000. When questioned by Sir Peter Caruana KC why cashiers had performed these transactions without adhering to proper procedure, the answers were also similar to those the court has heard previously. Romina Santos said, "I trusted her. I never thought she would do anything wrong." Ms Montovio said Ms Balban's managers didn't question her. Why would I? Ms Montovio told the court the bank had a lot of bad practices when she worked there, that she may not have been the best at her job, but she wasn't in court for anything that she had done wrong. She described Ms Balban as authoritative, all-knowing, confident, in control. Sir Peter asked whether these were bad qualities in a manager. Ms Montovio continued to say she was also fraudulent and deceiving. Sir Peter repeatedly questioned whether the witnesses had spoken to each other about the evidence in this case. He noted the similar language used by them when describing their experiences. He put it to them that the NatWest investigation process had made them believe Ms Balban was guilty of the accusations. Current NatWest branch manager Marc Cid de la Paz gave evidence on a period in which he had applied to cover maternity leave for Liane Ignacio in the role of assistant branch manager at Coral Road in 2016. He shared the role with Kaylee Asquez, an arrangement he said he has never seen before or since. He says Ms Balban told him he would be in charge of managing the Coral Road branch except for the cashiers. He was told Ms Asquez would manage that aspect and that she would report directly to Ms Balban. He said any day that Ms Asquez was not at work, Ms Balban would come down to Coral Road and spend an unusual amount of time there. The trial continues on Monday at 1 p.m.